Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Epson ET2720 series printer, and now I can show you how to factory reset this device. To do it, first you need to open the settings, then scroll right and find here restore default settings and click OK. And here we can restore network settings, copy settings, scan settings, but now we will need to click clear all data and settings. Click OK, and click OK. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.